How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be installing secret hidden dash camera on my Chevy Tahoe PPV. This one is a really nice OEM style dash camera that looks like it came straight from the factory. The actual camera is built into this panel for the rear view mirror, and all of the wires are concealed inside of it, and you can't even tell it's there unless you know it. So the brand that makes these is called FitCam X. They have many different custom designed dash cameras that can fit all sorts of car makes and models. And if you're interested, I can drop the link down in the comments section below. Go check them out. The camera comes in this nice, stylish white box with the main features highlighted on the outside. We've got Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G-sensor to save the video in case of an accident, super wide angle, perfect fit for your particular car, and high dynamic range recording. In the box, we're going to find the camera itself with this rear view mirror panel that looks exactly like your original one. It's not going to stand out whatsoever. There's a couple of buttons to control the camera, some holes for ventilation and the microphone, and it also comes with included 64GB micro SD memory card. Next, we've got this wiring harness that allows you to integrate your dash camera into the car electrical system, which is really nice. You're not going to have any cables hanging around like you would normally do with regular dash cameras. It's going to be really nice and clean look. Also got a trim removal tool to help with installation process. Should be very handy. This USB card reader that supports both regular and USB-C in case you want to transfer the files from the SD card into your computer. Next, we've got user's manual and the technical support contact card. Now let's go ahead and install the camera. It may look a bit intimidating, but really it's not that difficult. Let me show you. First, we're going to unclip and then slide out this smaller panel in the center, followed by this bigger one. Next, we're going to look for a square connector in there, matching this wiring harness that came with the camera. In my case, it's just hanging in there. It's not in use, but in some cases, you may have adaptive cruise control sensor or something like that connected to it. And if that's the case, you just need to unplug it and insert this harness in between them. You've got one male and one female connector for that. I'm just going to connect this male plug into this connector, and that's it. The other side we don't need to worry about. Now this end plugs into the cable coming out of the dash camera to supply power to it. Let's quickly test everything to make sure the camera works before we put everything back together. Now we've got some lights going on, so it looks good. Looks like it's getting power. We can now carefully tuck in all of the wires and reinstall the plastic panels. Alright, it's looking good, as if it's always meant to be there. To review recorded files, you can take out the memory card and plug it into your computer, or you can download FitCam X app on your smartphone and connect to the dash camera through Wi-Fi. From there, you can watch the live feed from the camera. You can flip the phone to see it in the full screen mode. You can also manually take a picture or record a video. Tap on camera files to view all of the recordings. You can preview recorded videos directly from the dash camera, or else you can download and save them on your phone. Under camera settings, we're going to find some pretty useful configuration features. You can turn sound recording on or off. You can adjust the speaker volume. Under video resolution, you can choose between really high quality or smaller files to save memory, or something in between. You can set the length of the recorded videos to 1, 3, or 5 minutes. Exposure compensation is not really necessary. I would rather keep it in automatic. Timestamp, you can turn it on or off. Then driving collision sensor. Here you can choose G-sensor sensitivity, least, medium, or most sensitive. If you enable parking monitoring, the camera is going to turn on and start recording if it detects the collision. And the rest are some system settings such as Wi-Fi name, password, firmware version. You can format the memory card here or reset the camera to factory default state. Now let's take a look at some of the examples of the video footage. Alright, so these are pretty much the main features of the FitCam X dash camera. I personally got it because of the slick OEM style look without any wires being visible. The mobile app and Wi-Fi connection is definitely a huge plus. This will allow you to instantly preview and download the video files. In case you've got into a car accident and there's dispute, you can show the video to the police officer as a proof of what happened. So I think the quality is pretty decent. I personally like to set it to the highest possible resolution. That way, if necessary, I can zoom in and read the license plate. In case there's a hit and run situation, that would be the most important piece of information. Alright folks, I hope this video is helpful if you're trying to find very discreet, high quality dash camera for your car. And if so, let me know, hit the like button. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.